Hello everyone, I'm Fitriyanah. I'm from Pancasakti University. Here I would like to present about qualitative research method. Okay, here we go. Well, first of all, we talk about what is research. Research is derived from the Middle French recherche, which means to go about seeking. And qualitative research is development of concepts which help us to understand social phenomena in natural rather than experimental settings, giving us due emphasis to the meanings, experiences, and views of the participants. And do you know what is the differences between qualitative and quantitative research? Qualitative research centered on phenomenology and comprehension, exploratory, inductive, and descriptive, natural observation without control, and quantitative research based in probabilistic induction of logic, confirmatory inferential, deductive, controlled, and penetrating meditation. And here are the characteristics of qualitative research. Data sources are real-world situations. Data are descriptive, emphasize a holistic approach, process, and outcomes. Data analysis is inductive, describes the meaning of research findings from the perspective of the research participants. And here we go talk about qualitative research methods. When used along with quantitative methods, qualitative research can help us to interpret and better understand the complex reality of given situation and the implication of quantitative data. Types of qualitative research methods: participant observations, in-depth interviews, and focus groups. Qualitative methods are typically more flexible. That is, they allow greater spontaneity and adaptation of the interaction between the researcher and the study participant. For example, qualitative methods ask mostly open-ended questions that are not necessarily worded in exactly the same way with each participant. With open-ended questions, participants are free to respond in their own words, and these responses tend to be more complex than simply yes or no. There are three samplings in qualitative research. First, purposive sampling, quota sampling, and snowball sampling. Here there are the advantages and limitations of qualitative research. The advantages are greater data accuracy than direct questioning. In natural settings, people behave naturally. Problems or refusal not at home, false response, non-cooperation, and etc. No recall error. In some situations, only way number of customers visiting a store, studying children's behavior, and the limitation here are time consuming. Too many things to observe may not be representative, difficulty in determining root cause of the behavior. And here are basic steps in qualitative research. Write a tentative research proposal, intensive participation in a field setting, collect detailed data from field activities, synthesize and interpret the meanings of the field data. Write the research report. Here also there are some issues in qualitative research. First, gaining entry, contracting potential research participants, selecting participants, encashing validity and reducing bias, leaving the field. You can see here the design of qualitative research. First, document analysis, action research, field research, qualitative experiment, qualitative evaluation research, and single case analysis. Well, we got to the last session is summary of what is qualitative research. Qualitative research has to be with investigation about people lives, lived experiences, behaviors, emotion, and feelings. Is any research conducted using an observational technique or unstructured questioning? It should not be viewed as conclusive research. Qualitative and quantitative research are complementary to each other. They are viewed as soft approach conducted when structured research is not possible, when true response may not be available, embracing touch questions to explain quantitative research result. In other words, we can say qualitative more flexible and quantitative fairly flexible. Okay, that's all from me. May it will be helpful for us. Thank you.